Whether you're looking for a relaxing beach vacation or an adventure-packed getaway, Mazatlán has something for everyone. Explore the Centro Histórico. As you step into the Centro Histórico, you'll find yourself surrounded by a kaleidoscope of beautifully restored colonial buildings that transport you back in time. Each facade tells the story of Mazatlán's rich history, from the ornate balconies to the intricate ironwork adorning the windows. Take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship and attention to detail that has been lovingly preserved over the centuries. Make your way to the heart of the historic center, the renowned Plaza Machado. This lively square serves as the beating heart of Mazatlán's cultural scene, pulsating with energy day and night. Grab a seat in one of the charming outdoor cafes and let the world go by as you sip a cup of rich Mexican coffee or indulge in a mouth-watering treat. As you wander through the alleys and hidden corners, you'll stumble upon a treasure trove of shops, boutiques, and art galleries. Lose yourself in the vibrant tapestry of colors and textures, where local artisans showcase their talents through unique creations. From handcrafted jewelry to colorful textiles, there's something for every taste and budget. Relax on Mazatlán's beaches. Picture this. You'll find yourself strolling along the shoreline of Playa o Las Altas, just a short distance from the charming historic center. The sun caresses your skin, and the gentle breeze carries the sweet scent of the ocean. It's the perfect setting to kick off your beachside escapades. Spread your beach towel on the soft sand and bask in the warm embrace of the sun. Feel the tension melt away from your shoulders as you recline, gazing out at the endless expanse of the ocean. Grab your favorite book or simply close your eyes and listen to the rhythmic melody of crashing waves. If you're seeking a refreshing dip, take a plunge into the sparkling waters of the Pacific. Let the cool embrace of the ocean wash over you, leaving you revitalized and invigorated. Swim to your heart's content, feeling the weight of the world slip away with each stroke. For the adventurous souls yearning for an adrenaline rush, Playa Brujas and Playa Cerritos are your go-to spots. These beaches are teeming with energy and excitement, as daredevils take to the waves to conquer the surf. Grab a surfboard and ride the thrilling swells, or hop on a boogie board and carve your way through the water. Feel the exhilaration as you navigate the waves, laughing and cheering alongside fellow beach enthusiasts. But the beach experience in Mazatlán goes beyond sunbathing and water sports. It's a vibrant tapestry of sights, sounds, and flavors. Take a stroll along the shoreline, where vendors peddle their wares and artists showcase their creations. Marvel at the intricate sand sculptures that rise from the beach, depicting mythical creatures and intricate castles. As the sun begins to descend, casting hues of orange and pink across the sky, the beach transforms into a magical setting. Take a romantic sunset stroll along the water's edge, hand in hand with your loved one. Watch as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky with a fiery display of colors. The gentle lapping of the waves creates a symphony of tranquility, providing the perfect backdrop for a heartfelt moment or a stolen kiss. Take a boat ride to Isla de la Piedra. Leave the hustle and bustle of the city behind as you hop aboard a boat from the vibrant marina or the Golden Zone, and set sail for this hidden gem that promises an unforgettable island escape. As the boat glides smoothly through the azure waters, the salty breeze caresses your face, and anticipation fills the air. The island emerges on the horizon, a paradise cloaked in serenity. The closer you get, the more your heart races with excitement, for you're about to step foot into the pristine shores of the Isla de la Piedra. The moment you disembark, you'll be captivated by the island's untouched beauty. Soft, powdery sand welcomes you every step, inviting you to leave footprints in its warm embrace. As you walk along the shoreline, the gentle lapping of crystal clear waters entices you to dive into its refreshing embrace. When it's time to refuel, indulge in a feast of fresh seafood at the local beachside restaurants. Savor the succulent flavors of grilled shrimp, the delicate taste of ceviche, and the mouth-watering aroma of freshly caught fish. Treat your taste buds to a symphony of culinary delights that will transport you to the heart of the sea. Pair your meal with a cool tropical drink and let the island vibes envelope you completely. Take a moment to recline on a lounge chair, feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, and let the gentle melody of the island's tranquility wash over you. Close your eyes and listen to the rustling palm trees, their fronds whispering secrets carried by the ocean breeze. Allow the stress of the world to melt away as you savor this precious moment of peace. As the day draws to a close, witness a breathtaking sunset over the horizon, painting the sky with hues of gold and crimson. With the island as your front row seat, marvel at nature's masterpiece, an awe-inspiring finale to your idyllic adventure. Visit the Mazatlan Aquarium. The Mazatlan Aquarium is an expansive playground of underwater delights, boasting a plethora of exhibits that showcase the vibrant marine life of the Pacific Ocean. Prepare to be spellbound as you explore the myriad of tanks housing a dazzling array of fish, sea turtles, and exotic creatures. Watch in awe as majestic sharks glide through the water with an air of mystique, their powerful presence commanding your attention. Marvel at the vibrant coral reefs teeming with a kaleidoscope of fish that dart and dance with a graceful elegance. The highlight of your visit awaits you as you make your way to the dolphin and sea lion shows. Take a seat in the Grand Stadium and prepare to be entertained by these intelligent and playful creatures. Witness their agility and skill as they perform breathtaking acrobatics, captivating the audience with their charming personalities and undeniable talent. But wait, there's more. Are you ready for an immersive and interactive experience? Imagine plunging into the shimmering waters alongside these magnificent beings. Yes, my friends, at the Mazatlan Aquarium, you have the opportunity to swim with the dolphins. Feel the exhilaration as you glide through the water guided by these gentle creatures. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience that will forever hold a special place in your heart. For the little ones in your group, the aquarium offers a delightful children's area where they can engage in hands-on learning and exploration. Watch their eyes light up with the wonder as they touch starfish, marvel at seashells, and discover the fascinating world of sea creatures through their interactive exhibits. It's a journey of discovery and education that will spark their curiosity and leave them with lifelong memories. But the Mazatlan Aquarium isn't just about the marine life. It's a place where conversation and awareness take center stage. As you wander through the exhibits, you'll learn about preserving our oceans and the delicate ecosystems that thrive within them. Gain a deeper understanding of the challenges these incredible creatures face and the role we play in protecting their habitats. After a day of adventure and wonder, take a moment to unwind and reflect at one of the aquarium's tranquil cafes or lounges. Sip on a refreshing beverage as you bask in the afterglow of the experiences you've had. Share your favorite moments with your loved ones, laughter filling the air as you relive the magic of the day. Experience Mazatlan's nightlife. This lively district is where the magic happens, where locals and visitors alike come together to celebrate life and let loose. Prepare to be swept away by the intoxicating blend of music, laughter, and the carefree spirit that permeates the air. As you make your way along Avenida Rafael Buelna, the vibrant heartbeat of the city, you'll be enticed by the sound of live music pouring out of the myriad of bars and clubs that line the streets. Let the infectious melodies draw you in as you follow the rhythm and discover your slice of nighttime bliss. Are you a fan of traditional Mexican tunes that make your hips sway and your feet tap uncontrollably? Then look no further than the charming cantinas and traditional music venues that dot the landscape. Immerse yourself in the soul-stirring melodies of mariachi bands, their lively tunes echoing through the air, infusing the night with an undeniable spirit of celebration. Dance, sing along, and let the music transport you to the heart of Mexico's rich cultural heritage. For those seeking a more modern and energetic experience, the beachfront bars and clubs of Mazatlan are the place to be. Dive into the vibrant atmosphere of Joe's Oyster Bar, where the energy is infectious and the dance floor beckons you to let go and move to the beat. Feel the bass thumping through your veins as you lose yourself in the music, surrounded by a sea of smiling faces and the shared euphoria of the night. Valentino's is a legendary establishment that has been gracing Mazatlan's nightlife scene for decades. With its chic atmosphere and captivating live performances, it's a place where you can revel in the sophistication of the night. Immerse yourself in the tunes of talented musicians, sip on handcrafted cocktails, and let the enchantment of the evening carry you away. And there you have it. We hope you enjoyed this guide of things to do in Mazatlan. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more travel guides, and leave a comment down below with your thoughts on Mazatlan. Check a similar video to this one right here. Thanks for watching.